This thing's so damn dirty from driving it every day. I abuse the shit out of this thing. Look at the wheels. Oh my god. Oh. Just take it. Oh yeah. I had to wash some bird shit off the hood with a fucking squeegee from the gas station. That's probably not good for the paint. That right there is supposed to be chrome. Oh god. Chunky. All down the side. It's just gonna get dirty again, but I don't want to leave it like that. So we're gonna fix it. Round 2. Also, make sure your gas is on. Just loyal. All better. And the best part is, it's gonna rain tomorrow. So if I want this thing to stay clean, might as well just sell it. Let some other asshole be on it. Just kidding, I'm never doing that. The wheels all shiny. New paint's all shined up. I was trying to scrub this stuff down, but I learned a long time ago. Nobody else sees that shit but you. It ain't worth it. But yeah, clean enough. Got the salt off of it. And the first time I take it out on Monday to go to work, it'll just be dirty as hell again. And we got the door jams. Inside's dirty. I need to wash it. I got a leak up here in this seal, like right in there. It leaks right past. Probably right there. Should probably do something about that, but no, I probably won't. I left this thing out with the windows wide open in a fucking monsoon. Took it a week and a half to dry up. That thing leaks too. This thing is dirty as hell. What the fuck? What is that? It just sits up under the fucking trees right here and gets all this shit in it. Get you a pinch. Some fucking grizzly wintergreen. Fucking nasty. What is that? What am I doing? I'm just making a mess too. Oh well. A couple of years ago I paid like $300-400 for the dealership to put all new seals in all the doors in the back. Yeah, this shit will just eat it up. But I'll get a garage someday. Dirty bitch. Rusty bitch. Roof's rusting on. I gotta fix that too. Alright, clean up time. Got the old 570 washed up too. Pro tip: when you're spraying this thing off, or anything for that matter, especially if it might have cow shit on it, do not breathe through your mouth or have your mouth open at all. Might sound like a nice snack while you're working, but no, it's not. Talk about use and abuse. $260 hours. $1,929 miles. I definitely did not run this thing super low on oil in West Virginia on the trails, beating on it, jumping it, doing stupid shit. No, not me. The old Nissan GTR. Sprayed it off too. Got this thing going so fast the paint peeled off the hubcaps. Got some speed holes back here on the tail light. You gotta ventilate these things. You know, they get so hot. The old dual clutch. Slip-o-matic. I bet you didn't know this thing was an EV. Good for nature. Look. Got it up to a top speed so quick the paint peeled off. That was the guy I was racing. It was a Ventador. Bumped me in the side trying to stop me from winning, but I still beat him. I'm just kidding. I'm retarded.